Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my massive Dollar Tree haul part 2. And when I say massive, girl, I wish you guys could see my table right now. It's full of products right now. It's crazy. All beauty products. We have some skincare. We have a lot of LA Colors, a lot of Ioni Cosmetics. Some of these products I already have used on my face, so I can give you guys a little bit of an update on those. I did repurchase one product, so I'm gonna have to give it away. So it's like a lot, girl. Some skincare products. We have a lot of face masks. I'm gonna try to not make this super lengthy, but I do have a lot here in front of me. So if you want to see what I picked up in this haul, just keep on watching. I also do have a playlist. I do these hauls all the time. I also do full faces, ranking videos for Dollar Tree, a lot of those type of videos, so that's going to be down below if you want to check out my playlist. But if you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. Let's get started with hair products. It's actually a repurchase. Well, not really repurchase, it's a double purchase, because I literally just filmed my part 1 of this Dollar Tree haul and I had this same product in there. I just put it away and here it is again. This is the Be Pure hair serum. It's meant to smooth a dry and damaged hair. So if you saw that video, you know what's going on. So I did purchase another one. Why? I don't know. It is kind of open. Thankfully it did not spill. But I'm going to go ahead and take this to work and hopefully somebody can use it. But again, this is just a hair serum, which I honestly am looking forward to throwing this on my scalp, because my scalp has been very dry. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my hair dye or I don't know what's going on, but yeah. But I don't need 2 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and give this one away. But I did notice I picked up this product as well. This is a Be Pure Split End Fixer, and it says it helps repair damaged hair. So I love that for me, getting into that hair care era. Let's get the random product out of the way. This is the Delta Home hand soap. This is the one in peony and peppercorn. Peppercorn? I don't know what that is, but this is so cute. The only reason I picked it up is because it's pink, girl. This is adorable. Now I want to see what peppercorn smells like. It smells so nice and fresh. Cute. I hadn't seen this before at Dollar Tree, so Delta Home, really interesting. Cannot wait to try it out and see my thoughts. I saw these things and I was like, girl, I'm really intrigued, because I've heard a lot of people talk about these little, like, what are these called? I don't know, little spirals. So this is from Goody. I've heard a lot of great things about this brand as well. And this is our extra large dentless XL jelly bands ponytailers. So basically these are like little hair bands that people use. Supposedly now it's saying it's dentless, but also I've heard that it just doesn't give you headaches or anything because they're really like stretchy. And I have a lot of hair. Did cut my hair recently, if you hadn't noticed. So I really want to see how these work out for me. So let me know, have you used these? What are your thoughts? But they look really nice and stretchy vibes. And the color is really cute as well, especially for summer. You know, it's cute. Let me know, have you tried them? Are you going to try them? Let me know. I do have a toothbrush behind me because, again, it was part of my first haul. So don't question me. Now they kind of fell out, but there's a look at the little spiral. So I did see this. I was kind of sad they didn't have it in pink, but this is from Sassy Chic, and this is their faux eyelash case in this beautiful blue tone. It looks really cute, and especially for like summertime, or if you're traveling, you just never know when you're gonna need to take your lashes somewhere. So I thought this was so cute. It's a little like circle lash case. Oh, you kind of press it in, kind of like a mirror, like a compact mirror vibe. You do get your little eyelash case situation. So looks really cute. Cannot wait to try this out. We have a couple of face masks here, like a lot actually. They have a whole little skincare section, which is so cute. First off, we have this under eye mask. These are the Be Pure under eye masks with hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and collagen, and it does come with 1 pair in here. So they're the cute like cherry vibes. They only had 1 of these, which is why I picked it up. We also have 2 of these here, and these are the Be Pure Peach sheet mask, and they just looked really intriguing. I need to get into using my products. This is also peach scented, so I have 2 of those. And then I came across these cute like soda ones. So these are the Be Pure orange soda pop, grape soda pop, and then we have the soda, what is this, cherry soda pop. These look so cute. So again, these are just sheet masks. Yeah, this one here is orange scented, cherry scented, and then we have the grape scented. They are so cute. Let me know, have you tried these? Are they good? I'm going to be trying them out on TikTok hopefully sometime soon, but they look so adorable. Sticking to the more like skincare kind of products, I have these Be Pure hot and cold eye pads. So they had these cute like strawberry ones here, and they also had these like lemon ones. I don't really use these a whole lot. I don't know why I picked them up, but I think they're cute. We're going to see if I use them. But again, there's a look at those. I'm going to go ahead and take them out the packaging, but you can throw these in the fridge and I'm sure they feel amazing on the eyes once they're like cold. That's so cute. Look at the strawberry one. Next we have these products here, which are the Crystal Waters hydrogel eye patches. So I saw they had 2 different shades, so I went ahead and picked up both of these, and it does come with 3 pairs in here. Love that they come individually wrapped in here. And this is a magnolia scented, and then we have their lavender scented one, and they just looked really intriguing. And it does say it's meant to soothe and depuff tired under eyes. So cute. So let me go ahead and get in here. So there's a look at the purple ones, and there's a look at the pink ones. Before we get further into the makeup products, we have some press-on nails. I could not find the other pair of these. Usually I buy 2 pairs because it comes with 12 in here, so they usually don't come with a perfect set. The nails that I have on right now are also from Dollar Tree. These are the Sevenail fashion nails, and girl, this style looks so beautiful. It has like little hearts and it looks stunning. However, these don't really last me more than a week, so just keep that in mind. These don't really last a long time, but girl, these like styles they're coming out with are so cute. We also have these fashion nails from Sevenail. I was waiting for the set to come to me. There's a look at that. These are going to be perfect for summer, but again, they don't really last too long, so keep that in mind. But they're really affordable and the actual styles are so cute. Okay, I did also go ahead and buy this Sassy Chic blush brush. Why does it kind of look used already? But there's a look at that. I thought this looked really interesting, but it looks like if somebody was already using it for like bronzer or something. Ooh, there's a look at that. It's really interesting because it's like higher back here and then it's kind of like slanted down. That looks really interesting. It is pretty soft as well, so I'm gonna have to update you guys soon on this brush. I do have 1 pair of eyelashes from Ioni Cosmetics. These are the full Foxy Drama half lashes, and I've really been into their half lashes, so I did go ahead and pick up this more like wispy set here, which looks so beautiful. I cannot wait to throw these on, and I love that they started adding the picture on the back on how they will potentially look on your eye. But these look so cute, so I cannot wait to throw these on. All right, so we do have a couple of LA colors, but most of the makeup section is going to be Ioni Cosmetics. Before that, we have this product here, which is a repurchase. This is the Mercerie matte finish setting spray. I don't know if I still have this in my collection, but let me go ahead and take a look because my setting spray is like right here. I don't see it, so I did go ahead and finish this up, I guess, recently. So again, this is just their matte finish setting spray from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in here, and we're gonna throw this in a new makeup video soon, like a full face of Dollar Tree. I do not remember my thoughts on this product, but there's a close-up look at that. So this time around, they did have a couple of new LA Colors products. We have their shadow sticks, which honestly I don't really use these a whole lot, but I just thought these were really interesting, especially with summer coming up. These shades themselves are really pretty. So we get a purple, a yellow, and a pinky tone, and these are called their just LA Colors shadow sticks. We have the shade Wink, we have the shade Glow, oh gosh, and then we have Razzle. All right, so there's a swatch of all 3 of those. They are metallic little liner, so they look really interesting. These are definitely some that I can use like in the inner corner. You can use them as actual eyeshadow sticks. I thought they were going to be more on the matte side, but I'm really glad that they're actually more shimmery. You can even use these all over the lid during summer months because you know you don't want to wear a whole lot of makeup. So I think these are actually really cute. The brightest one happens to be the light one, which is the one in Wink, I believe. No, the one in Glow. You can even use this as a cream highlight if you wanted. So They look really interesting. Cannot wait to try these out on the face and on the eyes, but cute. Did also come across these products. These are just our tattoo stamp pens, and we have a couple of different little stamps. So I thought these were adorable. We have the little like butterfly stamp. Yeah, this one's just in butterfly. The one in a flower. We have the little star stamp as well. So actually I'm a little traumatized from using stamps. Usually I just like kind of pop one on here. But one time somebody was like, girl, got a little bit of liner right there. Ever since then, haven't used a stamp because people think that it's just a little smudge, you know, unless they're like really close to you. But I'm kind of traumatized with these like pen stamps. I think they're cute though, so we're gonna see. Also does say that it is transfer proof, which is really interesting. All right, so there's a little swatch of those stamps. So they look so cute, especially the little flower. These are adorable and they're actually really very accurate. They don't look smudgy or anything. They look so cute. Lastly, for LA Colors, I did come across their crystal lip glosses. I had these in the past. Why did I buy them again? I don't know. But these are, again, just their crystal lip glosses. And we have the one in Backstage, High Note, and lastly we have VIP. So these are just really cute to look at. They're like a nice crystal kind of moment. Nothing crazy when you swatch. That's why I'm not going to swatch them because they're all kind of clear vibes. Smells so good though. It smells like vanilla. You don't get a whole lot of product in here. These are just for show. I think these are adorable. So we have, again, the purple one. We also have this like pinky one and this blue one. Mainly I pick them up for my get ready with me for work videos or whenever I need a little bit of lip balm, balmy kind of moment. These are so cute. Let's get into the Ioni Cosmetics products because most of these are actually used in a full face of Dollar Tree, I believe, or full face new makeup try on haul situation. So I kind of just wanted to show you guys these products again because I did keep them in the packaging. I was going to do a couple of TikTok videos, but I'm like, girl, let's just, you know, talk about them again. Get rid of the packaging and start using everything. So this is the Ioni Cosmetics Brow Mechanical Pencil. This is a brow pencil in the shade medium brown. I do already own the dark brown and the medium brown version of this product, and I do prefer the dark brown. So I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to open this today, but I have swatched this in the past many times, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this away. Let's get into the more like not so exciting products. We have this Fat Lip Chubby Stick in the shade Flamingo Red. This is actually the one that I use in my video, and these are not really that exciting. They're just like chubby lip liners. I don't know why I bought them. I think because they're all part of the new line. We also have the shade Pink. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys. And then we also have the Fat Chubby Stick. This is a liner in the shade Alabaster Gold. All right, so there's a quick swatch of all three of those products. Again, this one here is an eyeliner, and then we have the two lip liners. And they are just like chubby pencil kind of moments. I think these are okay. I wouldn't recommend going out and grabbing these. They're just kind of whatever products for me. That's why I kind of spoke about them first because they're not that exciting. The next product we have are some lipsticks. These are the Ioni Cosmetics Shea Butter lipsticks. We have two shades here, the shade Red Lily and then Pink Glow. They're so cute, and they have a cute little like heart shape to them as well. That's adorable. There's a close-up look at the lipsticks. Again, I did use these. They are moisturizing lipsticks, or they're going to be a little movie and slidey on the lips, but there's a swatch at those lipsticks. Really nice and vibrant, really pigmented. So if you're into that, girl, check them out. But yeah, those are the shades. Next, we have the felt tip eyeliner pens. These are not the ones with lash glue in them. They're just a regular pen liquid liners. We have the shade Black, which is honestly one of my favorites. And then we have a new shade, which is the one in Teal. I did already kind of cut through the packaging so I can get it out of here. I have to say, very underwhelmed by this color here. It's just really light. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it, but it's kind of like We have the shade Black, which again is my favorite, but the Teal one is just like, I don't know, a little light vibes, especially if you're going to be using it as an actual liquid liner to create a wing. I don't know, but the Black one is really amazing. So if you're into liquid liners, definitely recommend check out the actual just pen liner, not their lash glue liner. I really love just their liquid liner in black. I also did go ahead and pick up their sparkle liner. This one here is in Sparkle Gold, which is actually really pretty. I have a couple of their other shades, which I don't know, they're kind of like dried up vibes, but this one here is so pretty. I wouldn't recommend putting it like on top of your liner. That's what I like to use these for, because it's so liquidy that's not going to dry down on time, and then you do end up like transferring. But there's a look at the product. It looks so beautiful. It gives you some sparkles, as you can see. Super quick and easy way to apply glitter. If you're into that, definitely recommend check this color specifically out. We also do have their brow gel. This is just their clear brow gel, again in their new packaging, and these are all like their summer kind of collection. I'm guessing because there's somebody surfing on the picture. It's just their clear brow gel. I do already own this, but this one does come with cute little like summer additions on it, so I did pick this up as well. Did also pick up their setting spray. This is just a finishing glow spray. So the difference between this and the regular setting spray is that this one actually does have little shimmers in it, which is going to give you a nice little like glow from within look. I already did try this. Nothing crazy on the face. It does not give you glitters to the skin from what I've noticed. So that's just like first impression vibes. I haven't used this since then, but it looked really nice when I first applied it. And I am a fan of just the original setting spray in general, which it is already glowy, but this one here does have like little shimmer vibes in there, which is so pretty. So if you haven't seen this, so cute. You do have to give it a nice shake because the product does get like, you know, it always separates, but so cute. Love. We have one of their new highlights. This is the highlight in the shade Golden Glow. It just looked different. And I did also swatch this against my other Golden Glow highlights, and it is a different undertone. So keep that in mind, because a lot of their highlights actually do have the same name. So that's why I'm like, avoid it or whatever. But I did swatch it again, compared, and they're different. So they also did switch up the actual like packaging. It's like a nice little circle moment opposed to a square. And the shade itself is stunning. We have two of their mascaras. I do already own some of their mascaras. However, they did switch up the packaging and it made it into something really cool. So it's just their volumizing mascara in the shade blue. And we also have their volumizing mascara just in their black. I love their colored mascaras. As you guys know, I use them all the time, especially on the lower lashes. It just gives a nice little pop of color. And I love that they switched up the packaging and made it more interesting. It's just more of a vibey kind of product. And again, this is just their volumizing mascara. I'm going to show you guys the wand. Love. The same wand as their other blue mascara, but girl, this is so good. Love. Same formula and everything. And then we have their black version, which looks like that. Same kind of vibe. I think, yeah, this wand is a little different, but also love the shape of that and how long it is. So I'm living for the mascaras. I'm really shocked because Dollar Tree mascaras are not the best, but the Ioni Cosmetics ones, girl, they're good. These like larger ones, not the little teeny ones, don't love those. Love these like big ones. Lastly, the thing that everybody was going crazy over was their new liquid blushes. So these are the just liquid blush in the shade Pink Rose, and we also have the shade Orange Glow. So there's a look at these blushes. They're really cute. They only came out with 2 shades, and I did actually try these out in my full face situation. So there's a look at that. I love the doe foot applicator. I don't love that it's super messy already right off the bat. This is the way that it looked already when I opened it the first time. But there's a look at the pink one. It's like a really beautiful light pink vibe. For my skin tone, I felt like I did need to build this up so it can show up on my skin, but it looks so beautiful. And this one here is just a perfect kind of a red orange bright moment. These are so cute, really pigmented, especially the shade here, so keep that in mind. But the 2 shades I picked out are so beautiful. Cannot wait to update you guys on these products in a future video. Again, I did do a try on full face using some of these products, but the LA Colors products and stuff I haven't used. So I'm really excited about everything that I picked up in this massive haul. Let me know your thoughts on all the products that I picked up. Have you tried any of them? Are you going to pick up any of them? Let me know in the comments down below. Are they great? Do they suck? Again, let me know because I want to know. I'm really curious. Again, I do have a playlist which is going to be down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.